Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an email list with Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. Creating an email list with Mailchimp is a straightforward process. First, visit the Mailchimp website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up Free button. Fill in your email address, username, and password. Once you sign up, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your account. After confirming, log in to your Mailchimp account. You'll be taken to the Mailchimp dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab. If this is your first time, click on Create Audience. You'll see a prompt to set up your audience details. Fill in the audience name, default from email address, and default from name. Choose the audience settings according to your preferences. You can also include reminders about how people joined your list. After entering the details, click Save Audience and Campaign. Next, click on Manage Audience and then select View Audience. Click on the Add Contacts button. You can either upload a CSV file or add contacts manually. If uploading, select Import Contacts and follow the prompts. If adding manually, fill in the required information for each contact. Once all contacts are added, click Save. Now, let's set up a sign-up form for your audience. Return to the Audience tab and click on Sign-up Forms. Choose the type of sign-up form you prefer. For this guide, select Embedded Forms. Customize the form fields according to your needs. You can choose which fields to include and how they appear. After customization, copy the generated code. Paste this code into your website or blog where you want the form to appear. Next, create your first campaign to send a welcome email. Navigate to the Campaigns tab and click Create Campaign. Choose Email and then select Regular. Enter your campaign name and click Begin. Select your audience for the campaign. Design your email, including the subject line and message content. You can use Mailchimp's templates for a professional look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.